Guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can do a little thing. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. And first we have our verb or something else. We're gonna make it the color we want. And yes, the head needs to be like that. If you want one of these birds and not clothes instead. And let's do it easily like that. Let's skip. Just don't make it blurry. We take out our, let's just do this, and you can't see what I'm doing, but you see this. Well, let's just let's fix that 1 second. Fixed. Do like this. You can see the little thing there, but that you can't see when I'm filming. Let's just paint that over. We go like to IB's paint or something. You can't see this yet. It's my thing I'm working on. We take in this. Let's just, oops, I mean that. Let's fix that after. Take the color of the head. Oh, that didn't work, but let me just fix that instead. Once done, I made the bird a little bigger. Let's do a little bigger again. Like so. Now we have our bird. Let's customize it a little. Now what, just look when I'm doing it. You can skip if you don't want to see. It's my first time, so don't bully me. I have never done a green screen before. Also, feel free to use this. And if you have come so far, if YouTube lets you, you can type bird in the comments. So you can use airbrush, but I won't. You can use blur too, that I'm using. I might not be a good artist, but I'm on my way. Like this. 1 sec. You can see it if you want to. And now airbrush. I will just use this because I'm lazy right now. And that's it. Feel free to use this. And now's your time. Take a screenshot and then you can use it. Bye.